Hi, Year 8. Happy New Year, first of all. I would much prefer to be speaking to you all individually, coming around the tutor rooms and saying Happy New Year to each group individually, but that isn't the case for a few weeks, so we just have to make do with going back to speaking virtually to you for a few weeks. Just wanted to take this opportunity to say hello and check on your progress so far with online learning. I have to say that all the comments I'm getting so far from teachers regarding Year 8 and the boys and the attendance and the amount of work that they're putting in are really positive comments, and I just want you to keep that up. That's fantastic so far. So far you're probably getting to grips with Firefly again, using Zoom, trying to organise yourself. It's a bit difficult too, and it might all seem a little bit overwhelming, but it's really important to remember that your tutor and I are always here to help out in any way we can, so don't be scared to ask for help. Also, I think it's really important in times like this that we try to look positively at certain things that are happening. I think we need to look at this as a bit of a challenge to ourselves and look at it as something that we can use positively to try and push ourselves. So think about the skills that you're going to be developing over the next few weeks. Definitely you're going to get more competent in IT skills. You're also going to get more competent in your time management and your organisational skills. And I think it's really important that you look at those skills and think about how you're developing those and how important they will be in the rest of your time as in your academic life and also in life beyond school. Also, it's really important to remember there's loads of resources in Firefly, and I just want to kind of take you through those again this morning to help you remember that they're there and that they're available for you. So if you go to Firefly page and press the big help button, you can access the student help section there. Here you will also find a little section called Navigating CCB Online, and it's a little short video that will take you through different aspects of Campbell College Online, and it's actually really informative. Some of it isn't as relevant at the minute yet, but it may come into play as the weeks roll out. I'm going to set this all as a task for you to watch on Firefly, so I'd really like you to take some time to watch it and have a look at what else CCB Online has to offer and what help you have available to you there. If you're having any other issues, please don't hesitate, as I said, to get in contact with somebody. Either ask your teacher, send a Firefly message to your teacher if you're not sure about a task that they've set, or if you're really not sure about something, come back to your tutor and ask them. Also, I think it's really important to mention that you should be having some time away from your screen, and I'll probably touch on this over the weeks as we go ahead. I'm trying to homeschool kids at home, and I schedule in breaks and lunches with them where they have a total break away from the screen, and that means that they don't just go from working on the computer to going and playing the Nintendo Switch or Xbox. It means that they have a total break. We're really lucky we live in the countryside, so I make them go out for a walk, or I make them go and feed the sheep, or I make them just get out and kick a football about for 10 minutes. But it's really important to have that break. It's what we would call, as adults, we would say, oh, we need a wee bit of me time. And it's really important to make some time for yourself too throughout all of this. Your tutor will be catching up with you throughout the next week, and I really hope to be trying to catch up with different groups of you as well throughout the next few weeks. But until then, take care and keep up the good work.